Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Gracie Love. I am your beautiful host, Gracie Love, and today it is going down in the kitchen. I have this Mexican vibe that I'm going through right now, and so I am craving some fajita bowls, some steak fajita bowls with some jasmine rice. Oh, just so incredible, so good. And if you love steak and rice and peppers, it's going to just be the perfect thing for you. It's going to be simple as always. It's going to be easy peasy, and it's not going to take any time at all. So you can start off with getting one of those bags of the steak fajitas, okay? Now, if you want to get the regular fajita meat and you want to cook it up on the stove yourself, perfectly fine. But you guys know I like to keep it simple for you guys. We want quick fix meals, okay? Sometimes I don't want to come home and have to open it up and I got to season it and I got to rinse. I got to do all this extra stuff. I just want to throw it on the stove, eat it up really quickly. And especially with the kids, right? You want stuff that is going to be like 30 minutes or less. So we're going to keep it real simple. So I have my bag, like I said, of my steak fajitas. Now you can do any kind of meat that you want, but like I said, we're doing steak fajitas, steak fajita bowls today. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on into my pan that I already have on the stove. I got some oil in there, some olive oil in there, just to give it a nice little taste and also to keep it from sticking, okay? So my pan is already hot. So I'm going to go ahead and put the meat inside of there. And you guys know I'm big on seasonings, on flavors and everything. So you know one of my favorite things is the accent. So I'm going to add a nice healthy helping of that. I got some garlic salt I'm going to add in there. All right. A little seasoned salt. And I'm also going to do this carne asada seasoning as well. I'm going to add that. And it gives it such a cute little color. All right. And then also some turmeric. You guys know that's my favorite thing as well. Good for your insides, okay? So I tend to add turmeric to everything. And then my secret ingredient, you guys, is this beef better than bouillon. This right here, guys, it is amazing. So I just want to add a spoonful of this inside of there. That's all you need. And a spoonful is the same equivalent if you were to use the regular bouillons, the cube ones, or if you like to use the powdered ones as well, you can. Oh, I'm going to need help from my guest friend. Let me slide this over. But you just want to add just a tablespoon of that, and that's going to give it a really nice beef flavor as well. Get that stirred up. Oh, it already just smells so good. So now I'm going to add my better than bouillon, and they have these in all different kinds. I have almost every flavor of this, but like I said, just a tablespoon of this is going to go inside of here. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and give that a stir. Now this meat only takes about 6 to 7 minutes to cook. So you just let that cook up for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and add in our vegetables. Now it's been about 7 minutes, and this is what it's going to look like when you are done cooking that. Nice and brown and delicious, okay? So now that our meat is cooked up, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in our fajita mix. So this is just green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and onions. I'm just going to toss that right into my pan with my meat, okay? And I'm going to wait until those vegetables cook down. And that's going to be it. Once those vegetables cook down, baby, we are going to add it into our rice, and it is going to be delicious. So you know your vegetables are cooked down when they are translucent. So they're like clear. They're very soft. You can use your spoon and just break right through them. That's how you're going to know that your vegetables are done. Okay. When they are tender, when they are getting really, the onions will get really translucent, like I said. So we'll let that cook down, and that'll probably take about 5 minutes to really let those cook down. You want to have your heat on a medium, so in between about 3 and 4. Anything a little higher, that meat's gonna pop you, okay? So leave that there, and while that is cooking up, let's go ahead and get started on our rice. Now, you can be fancy and get you a pot and some water and put it on the stove and put you some salt in there and cook it up. But I'm going to keep it easy and simple for you guys. You can get these bagged rice, okay? I know people are weird about them, but they come out just as fabulous, okay? So all you got to do, and I got the Jasmine one because like I told you guys, we're doing Jasmine rice, but you can do any rice you like. And you just take it and you want to smash it down because you have to break it up before you put it into the microwave. And it's going to feel hard. It's not going to pop. Just push it down. If you have a rolling pin, you can definitely use your rolling pin. Okay, so once you got it pressed out really well, okay, you want to go ahead and then you just want to open it about an inch. Okay, so I have some scissors here that I'm going to use. And you just want to cut it about an inch. And this is to help it vent while it is in the microwave, okay? So I got it, and the rice is gonna be at the top. It might fall out a little bit, that's okay. So I got it cut open about an inch. And then since it's only one pouch, I'm only gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. That's all it's gonna take, 2 minutes in the microwave while your veggies are cooking in your meat in the pan. So putting this in the microwave. Okay. 2 minutes. Boom. Gonna give my veggies a stir. Make sure you're stirring it because the meat is still in there. And when you put those seasonings in there, it's gonna stick. So you wanna make sure that you are stirring everything, keeping it from sticking to your pan. You don't want it to stick and have that charred taste. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. So we're going to give that another 3 minutes, let them veggies cook down, and then we got a minute left on our rice, and then we're going to put it all together, and baby, you won't believe how fantastic this is going to be. All right, so now our vegetables and our meat are done. Our rice is finished. I'm going to pull that out of the microwave. It's been cooling for about a minute. You want to let it cool for a minute because it's going to be hot when you take it out. So I'm going to add it right here into the bowl. And you can also add a little bit of butter if you like to your rice. And you want to take your fork and fluff that rice, okay? Breaking it down real good. All right. So once you're done fluffing it, it should look something like this. Oh my gosh, all that steam. It is so hot. Okay. So now that we've got that all fluffed up, that's it, you guys. It's time to eat. So we're going to go ahead and plate this dish now, okay? So I have my plate right here. I'm going to add my rice right onto my plate. And jasmine rice is sticky, so it is going to be sticky, guys. And I really do love jasmine rice and wild rice. That is my favorite. Okay. I'm not going to be a big bag, but I did get a nice healthy helping of this rice. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get a nice healthy helping of this fajita mix right here. Oh my gosh. That looks so delicious. And it smells so good. I definitely want all the peppers with the meat, because that's the best part. What's a steak fajita without the peppers and the onions? Okay. I think that should be a good taste. So once it is all done and complete, that is your pretty little plate, you guys. And like I said, you got those peppers. Everything is in there. It is cooked perfectly. Can you see the steam on that, you guys? It is amazing and it smells amazing. Okay, now let's eat. I want everything. Meat, pepper, rice, onion. Let me get a green one in there. There we go. Yes, that is the bite that we're looking for. Right there. Mmm. 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 That is so good. That is so good. All the seasoning. That bouillon, that better than bouillon. I'm telling you, just add a little bit. It is going to change your perspective on bagged fajita meat. I'm telling you, you guys. Oh, this is so delicious. It's so simple. The rice is perfect, even though it was in the bag. And it didn't take no time. The vegetables are nice and soft and tender. That is so good. Before I let you guys go, I want to send out a special shout out to our sponsors. Yulia, of course, she keeps my nails looking fabulous as always. So you guys make sure that you follow her on her Instagram, okay? And we'll have that information for you, all right? And then also, you guys, make sure you guys go ahead and get you a copy of the cookbook, Quick Fix Meals by yours truly. You guys can go ahead and get you a paper copy, hard copy, Kindle edition, all on Amazon. So go ahead and do that. And then also check out the new music video for our bodies. Thank you so much to 21 Pills, the Ace Fam, for putting that video together for me and making my dreams absolutely come true. So shout outs to you guys for helping me put that together. Again, make sure you guys check out the video for our bodies. Make sure you get the cookbook, Quick Fix Meals, on Amazon. And let me know what you guys think of this recipe. And if you guys like this recipe, go ahead, let me know, and I will come out and I will deliver it to you, you guys. I will be selling plates of the stuff that we are making right here on the Cook Show. So if you like it, let me know. I'll get you out a plate, you guys, okay? And as always, thank you so much for tuning in to Cooking with Gracie Love. This was Steak Fajita with Jasmine Rice.